Hello and welcome to Saras's classes. Today we are going to solve some questions based on quantitative aptitude. As we know that quants is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination and it is the most scoring portion also. As it requires only your basic mathematical and numerical skills, so people are used to get enough score to increase their total marks. Okay, so let's start with the first problem. If 20% of a plus b is equals to 50% of a b, then we need to find the value of 2a minus b divided by 2a plus b. So let's try to solve the first problem. We are given that 20% of a plus b is equals to 50% of b, or we can write 20 divided by 100 into a plus b is equals to 50 divided by 100 into b, or we can write a plus b divided by 5 is equals to b by 2. Okay, therefore 2a plus 2b is equals to 5b if we cross multiply. Therefore 2a is equals to 3b. Now we need to find the value of 2a minus b divided by 2a plus b. We need the value of 2a minus b divided by 2a plus b. Now 2a is equals to 3b. So our answer reduces to 2b divided by 4b, which is nothing but half. So option A is the right answer. Now let's check the next question. A certain number when divided by 175 leaves a remainder 132. When the same number is divided by 25, what will be the remainder is? Okay. So question number 56. We need to know a small concept before starting the solution. Suppose we have 7 and we divide it with 2. Okay, so we get 3 as a answer of division and the remainder will be 1. Okay, so the remainder is 1 and our answer is 3. Now we can use this formula that 2 into 3 plus 1 is equals to 7. That means divisor into answer plus remainder is the required number. Okay, now let's see again what is in this problem. So here we have 175 as a divisor and 132 as a remainder. Okay, now now we can write that the divisor is 175 and the remainder is 132. So 175 into, suppose the answer is x, plus the remainder is the required number. Okay. So the required number can also written as in this way. 175 can be written as 25 into 7 multiplied by x, and 132 can be written 25 into 5 plus 7. Okay, so if we take 25 as common, we get 7x plus 5 plus 7. So we get our answer. Here 25 is the required divisor. This is the answer, and 7 is remainder. So if we divide the same number, uh, by 25, the remainder is 7. Okay, so we have successfully solved 2 questions, and that's all for today. If you want to know more about quantitative aptitude, then you can join our classes. So feel free to contact us in this 2 number 9836793076 or 9874822756. And for further details, you also check our website. Here you will get all the details about our classes. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.